Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Once again, I'm with you, all of you. The concerned topic, which is very important in the history of women's education. Basically, why we are learning this topic? Because this topic is basic, the needs of education. We are going to cover that women's colonial period, what happened actually during the period of Mughals, during the period of colonial period, means the during the British period, what women did and how they did achieve their educations during that area. So we are going to start this topic with a very brief, with not a brief, but with a short time moment. So, without wasting our time, to introductions. What introduction is? Education for women is an important step in the development and growth for society. Yet it is continue to be neglect dominant from the colonial period till the present times. So it's just an introduction of educations which were very beneficial in the development growth of society. Education is the most important aspect of development process, and a person's enable to person know the right conduct gives him her to differentiate between rights and wrong. Equally important is the fact that women receive equality education as a par with the education received by the male section of the society. When female section of society in educated, the future family becomes uh, uneducated. Means in this paragraph, final paragraph, I would like to say that this is very beneficial paragraph. That when a woman becomes uneducated, it means that the whole family is uneducated. So and this shows the immense importance of educating women, its impact on the society and nations. Despite this, is a large number of women who are prohibited by receiving any type of formal education. It's as it was believed that they are suitable for doing the household chores and looking after the family children only. So they believe that women are only for making a housework, taking care children. So, their conceptual thought was that. So initiations into schooling was that I also mentioned there the brief history of church and 18th, I think 1818s, after which various schools were opened during this 11th, London Missionary Society. This was the result of their so first school was opened like these kind of. I also mentioned there you can easily note point out there the curriculum include the reading, writing and spelling, and needle work also, and barriers through the initiative was taken by the missionaries, yet the number of involvement in these schools did not reflect the attitude of Indian toward women. Means during the British rulers, there were the Indian society, their women would not be encouraged by their families, and they were dominating them. So during that movement, Sir Said Ahmad Khan, who had promoted them, so they make many schools and like centers. They are provided basic physically and mentally education. So there, this is the also description of their where women also were discriminated from these many kind of like unequal treatments. There were not placed to women fitting women to get education, get educating women from the different religious means that this is the point where we are talking about women were dominating, but women has not equal rights. That's why and the religion based women also were decreasing. The women also were eradicating, means the women has not allowed to get education. That's why this is the very main focus point you can also point it.